Good afternoon, dear masters. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Mohamed Awal Sule, a gynecologist and an obstetrician from Cameroon. I work in one of the biggest pediatric and gynecological units in the capital of Cameroon. And I was recommended this prestigious institution by two of my senior colleagues that came before me.
Very good.
So when they came back, they had only positive recommendations or positive things to say about this prestigious institution. So it motivated me because I saw one of my colleagues, which were very close, Dr. Mbaku, who was here, who left Cameroon, and then I never saw him do laparoscopic surgery, that I met him in the theater with so much confidence, doing surgical procedures the right way. So I said to myself, I give myself 3 months out here to acquire similar skills. Now, that was back then in Cameroon. Yeah, I must say, I am short of words. The pedagogic approach to teaching has nothing been short of excellent. And coupled with hands-on training on instruments and on the simulator, with patient mentors and instructors who took time to guide and coach you over every gesture. And even though at the beginning we feel they are there, they keep teaching. And I can say with confidence that there are many things which I did not know, which I know now, and I know the right way. The hallmark of everything is the theoretical teaching matched with the real cases which we see in the laboratory, in the OT, with very patient mentors who took their time to present the case, explain the procedures, and sometimes even go out of their way to tell us the little tricks to certain approach. Those little knowledge cannot be found anywhere else. So what I can say is thank you to our masters. Thank you to everybody that made our stay here remarkable. And thank you to the SMASTI institution. When I will go back, I can promise you that many will come after me. Thank you very much.